Today is Tuesday, January 17th, 2023. It is also day 172 of JS, and today I'm going to be practicing what I learned in day 169, which is how to manipulate audio tags in JS, which, by the way, I haven't even ever used audio tags in the whatever days I've been doing that's ever in my life. I think. I don't even remember. I don't remember using it in HTML. And so here I am manipulating them with JS and I haven't even used them in HTML. Way to go. Anyway, need to look into that one day. But for now, I'm just trying. I mean, I did this a few days ago, but I am just trying to. Oh, it's already open. I'm just trying to remember, okay? Like, I just learned by repeating stuff 5,000 times until it sticks with me, and then just doing different versions of it, and then it becomes something completely different. But yeah, I probably don't remember any of this to be honest, because I was just like learning from it, like on Khan Academy. I was just putting my own spin on it. Um, and by my own spin on it, I just mean the UI. Like that's it. Like the graphic, I don't whatever. Anyway, I'm here trying to figure this out. Um, Where's my work? Okay, so doc type HTML tells the computer, hey, I'm writing in HTML. 5 HTML, I'm writing in HTML, and then like a person, you would have your head and your body, so head and body tags. In the body tags, I'm gonna just put a div that's gonna basically be a box. I like to think of divs as boxes, and I'm gonna give it a card. No, I'm gonna give it a class of card so that I'm able to style it, not see. What am I saying? Okay, so I'm gonna go to CSS. I'm gonna say card because it's a class. I'm gonna access it with a dot. And I'm gonna give it a border of 5 pixels solid red. So border is a property, and then the values 5 pixels solid red are values. And so 5 pixels in thickness, solid as in versus like dotted, and then red as in like color. And I needed to have a height and width because if it wasn't for the text, it wouldn't have any height actually, right? So I would need to do height 700 pixels, personal preference, and then width 700 pixels. And so that's what I have so far. And then what I'm gonna do now is before I do anything else, I'm just gonna select everything by using the star selector. And I'm just gonna default any default margin and padding to 0, right? So browsers sometimes have like their own margin and padding set already. So I just like to make everything 0 just to give me like a palette cleanser. And then finally box sizing border box, which I don't know, it just helps with being responsive. I should really study that. It's been months. I need to really find a good explanation to that. Okay, and then I want it to be at the center. So I know that my card is inside the body tag, so I'm going to select the body and I'm going to give it a display of flex. And that doesn't do anything. All it does is just labels it as a flex container. I like to think of it as like when a queen kind of like labels or how do I say it? Like declare someone like a duchess or or what do you call a male a Dutch? A duke. Sorry, come on, like a duchess or a duke, like the queen is just labeling them, declaring them as a duke or duchess. Same thing here, like we are just declaring this red box to be a flex container, but we haven't told it to do anything and like they haven't done anything. So the way we get it to do stuff is with these properties justify content center, which is going to center the box horizontally, and then align item center is going to center the box vertically, but you'll notice that it actually does nothing, and that's because if you give this body, whoops, if you give this body not, wow, I can never spell, 5 pixels solid black. If you give this body a border, you'll see that technically it is working. It is aligned vertically in the center because the height of the body is not because the height of the body is what it is. But if we want it to be like vertically in the center of our full screen, then the body box, which is a black box, should be also the same height as the screen. And so I just like to give it a height of 100 VH, which stands for vertical height of the screen. So that works for me. I'm gonna get rid of this border. And then I just like to go into the card and give it a border radius of like 20 pixels or maybe 25 pixels just to make it a little pretty. I'll do 30 maybe. It looks ugly, but we'll fix that later. The colors I'm going to use is like yellow and black. So the body, which is the background, I'm going to give it a background hashtag of that color. And then the card, I'm just going to give it a background of hashtag 00000, which is black. Or you could just literally write black. And then I'm going to remove the border. And yeah, and then I'm going to look for a nice icon here. I might look into this one, but I need something that's like doesn't have a black outline. Let's see, I could do just have it be white and then no way, it's not letting me. There's no way. Oh, link. Beautiful. Okay. They changed their UI. Um, so what's going to be inside the card? I'm going to try something like IMG source, and it's going to be long. Oh, I guess it's not going to be long anymore. I guess they fixed that. Let's see. You can barely see it. Well, I'm going to give this image tag an ID of logo. And I'm just going to go into my CSS and I'll do hashtag logo and I'll give it a height of, not a height, no, yeah, a height, 100 pixels, width 100 pixels, and you can barely see it. It's not working, is it? No, it's, that sucks. Am I copying this right? At least it has an SVG. No way, are you kidding me? Really? How am I supposed to get this? Oh, there we go. Thank God. Okay, copy image address. Let's try this one instead. I was like, no, they changed their UI. There we go. Beautiful, but we don't have the black outline, which sucks. Whatever, it doesn't matter. Okay. I'm just going to center that logo now. So I'm just going to copy this stuff into the card so that it's centered, and I'm just going to make it way bigger than it is right now. Okay. And you know what? Can I have like, I wish there was like an animation I could do here, like that I would just like hover over or like get bigger and then smaller the entire time. Whatever. And then I think what I'll do is I'll just cover the card with an A tag. I'm gonna give it an ID of like click, I don't know, so that the whole card is clickable. And now we get to the nitty gritty stuff, which is JavaScript. So in JS, I like to start with like what I want. So what I want is there to be a function, like let's say like on card click, I guess. So on card click, um, let's put an E in that. By the way, this is the same thing as let on card click is equal to function, blah blah blah. It's the same thing. This saves me time, so I use arrows now. But it's just saying, okay, let this be a function, and E is like, I don't know what to call it. Is it a property? Event. Well, it's an event. It's the event property. But do you call these things properties? I don't know. I need to really work on my terminology. Anyway, this is what we're gonna use to handle like the events. I don't know. I'm telling you, I just learned this. I'm gonna figure this out as I go. Um, what we need is the audio. So when I click on this, I want there to be a new element created. I'm gonna say var audio is equal to document dot body. Is it document dot? No, it's dot document dot create element, because then we add it to the body later. And then it's going to be the audio tag. And then the audio tag, we could do source, set that equal to this link right here, which I got from, where's the website? Did I close the website? Of course I did. Nope, that's not what I meant. MP3 links. Um, God, I just had the website. You know what? Whatever. I'll link it. In the logs. Okay, back to this. So this is a source, right? So if now, okay, let me just save this, reload. Okay. Let me see if I'm doing this thing right. Okay. Audio, audio source. Okay, good. And then this stuff, audio element autoplay is true is the same thing as like a video tag. Like you just have to tell it to get its life together. So I guess isn't it auto play instead audio play? Auto, yeah, auto. So automatic play. So it's saying, okay, I need you to automatically just play. Interesting, it's not caps lock or camel case. Hmm. And then wow, why is it like that? It's supposed to be body data append child. Okay, and then what else? So I have to append it, obviously. Where's my code? Okay. So I'm going to take the body and I'm going to append the child. Audio. And then yeah. Yeah. I was okay, yeah, that seemed weird. I had to do document.body, right? Because like I didn't access the body. Alright, other than that, if well, it's gonna do nothing. Now I have to actually select the card, which I actually have to access it first. So I'm gonna say var card, and it's not the card technically, it's the clickable card, I guess. Is equal to document dot get element by ID, and it's going to be the ID that or the element that has an ID of click, which is this, right? Or I guess I could do it with I don't know. I don't know. That's weird. Maybe I could do it with card. Maybe I don't even need the A tag. Um, or maybe I do for semantics. I don't know, bro. Anyway, now I can say, okay, click dot add event listener. So basically, I'm telling my click element to listen for when it's clicked on, and when it is clicked on, then it's going to call this function on card click. It would make sense if click was card, but whatever. And then if I click on it, it totally doesn't work.
I wanna take you for a ride. I wanna take you for.
That scared me. So it does work. Okay, it does work. That was funny. Um, what?
I wanna take you for a ride.
So then why in the world did I need this event prevent default? Like, why did I need that? Is it because it didn't have a source? Is that why? If it had a source, would it go there? No, it's the wrong thing. If it had a source, would it even go? If I save this,
I
reload.
wanna take you for a ride.
Huh. That's weird. That's really weird. Oh well. Either way, I'm still gonna put it in there because you never know. So prevent default, it just prevents the default behavior of the A tag, apparently. I should probably rewatch this whole lesson. Um, yeah, and then that's it, to be honest.
I wanna take you for a ride. I wanna take you for a ride.
In the World Wrestling Federation, here is a man.
Okay, I don't know why it continues, but okay. And then maybe, just maybe, I need like a where is okay, we're just gonna do 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and then I just need a lighter shade of that. So let's take this color and I'll just put that as the original color of the card. And remove this, and then when I hover over the card, so card in a state of hover, want the background to be this color. You're kidding me, bro. Pure black. So, yeah, that's just so bad, bro. How do I get weird? I just need it to be white. Like, I need it to be visible, and it ain't. It's not. I need to find another thing. I just really like the hand, though. It's really cute. Oh, this is perfect. The music. Hmm. Maybe I can do that. So this color needs to be. Oh God. Actually, might as well. Can't copy the image address anymore. That sucks. Because it's not an image anymore. Ugh. Where in the world? How do I even. Oh, wrong thing. It needs to be PNG at the end. It's not though. This is so annoying. I just don't want to change it. It's so cute. Hmm. You know what? I don't know. This one's cute. I could do that tomorrow, like a click. Hmm. So many options. I don't know. Why is this so difficult? Like, why? Why is this so difficult? This sucks. I can't believe they changed the option to copy the image address when you change the thing. This is so annoying. What if I could just get it from here? Yeah, it's not. This sucks. Or maybe I could make it an A tag. Interesting. I don't know. I'm wasting my time. Um, I just don't know. This is what I want. Um, what if I just like search up a hand? Never mind. Hand? This is so annoying. Hmm, we could do this. We could do blue or something. So if I just do. Ugh, I don't like it, but okay. I mean, it just looks so ugly. I mean, it just looks, honestly, doesn't even look like a pointer. It just looks like an arrow. I don't know. I don't know. It just looks weird to me. Maybe I should just leave it with the hand. Even though you can barely see it. I'm gonna leave it with the hand. Alright,
I wanna take you for a ride.
okay. So, last thing I want to do though is I want to figure out a way. I literally have no idea how to do. Well, I do, but I forget every time. So maybe I don't. Transform. I just need to be bigger. Scale maybe. So, nope, that's not what I meant. So if I translate this, nope. Scale, nope. Actually, maybe I do want to just, maybe I do want this one. All right, so let's do, I'm so lost right now. Okay. So I always though want to be able to access the logo and oh no, that's just, oh, this doesn't make sense. I just want there to be an no, you know what, never mind, I'm not doing this. It's fine. I'm just gonna leave it like that. I wanted it to like get bigger and smaller every time, but I just realized like, wait, I don't know how to do that. So we're not doing that. But yeah, that's it for today. Um, and yeah, I think we're good.
I wanna take you for a ride. I wanna take you for a ride.
All right, sounds good. Au revoir.